Hello guys, this is another double reaction to Nana and For Eve SEA pop collaboration, right? Also 88 Rising collaboration. This time we'll be checking the new single from For Eve, which is called The Test of Time 2000, and also we'll be checking dance video to Honk from Nana, which is called Plus 62. I also noticed that there exists another video from Nana, which is called dance video, to Honk, and I don't know about differences between those two videos, if there are any. So let me know. I don't know which one is better, but it's a resync to their songs, those plus 62 videos usually. So I selected this one, but if there are some significant changes in that dance video, that other one, I'll be checking also. Guys, we will start with For Eve and then we will be jumping into Nuna. I will obviously like both of these videos. And let's start. This is my first blind reaction to this song. I know it has been released 5 days ago. I simply hadn't time. There are so many releases in these days. It's crazy, guys. So let's check this out. Why I haven't I subscribe? Yeah, this is work point official. Okay, sorry. So obviously I am subscribing for if and XOXO Entertainment. Okay. And oh, by the way, great sound. By the way, Hannah also released something solo, right? With the male artist. I noticed that she has been releasing some song of her or something like that. Okay, let's start. I'm kind of confused. Who are they? Because this one is familiar to me. I'm not sure. There are actors or those are singers or something like that. I'm not sure, but I think I saw her somewhere. I don't know where. She's also familiar. I love the additional sound effects which are jumped in this sequence, and from the musical stance, it's very pleasing. For Eve, it's been a while since I heard something like this one from For Eve. They released in this concept or in this style songs mostly in the previous years, right? And they have been more experimenting with 88 Rising nowadays. But this is sort of throwback, and also it's a throwback to sort of millennials, because this it's the beginning, do sounds effect, that sample or the beat sounds sort of nostalgic as a some old pop songs, and I like it. I also like that vibe overall. Maybe like those I mentioned who are there, like those persons, and they are like still like jumping on the screen. Maybe it's associated with that work. How is it called? Once again, work point official or something like that. Work point official. Maybe it's some sort of like collaboration or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm like really curious about this one.
ไม่อยากจะหางานให้ใจอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงาเท่าไรดีกว่าคนใจร้ายเข้ามาทำให้เจ็บให้มีน้ำตาให้ผิดหวังฟรีๆอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงาเข้าใจก็ประคองตัวไปอย่างนี้ถ้าเธอไม่ดี ไม่มีคงปลอดภัยเสียกว่าอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงาเท่าไรคนใจร้ายเข้ามาทำให้เจ็บให้มี
Oh my god. Okay. I know her. Yeah, I know her. I can like that name. But I know her. If I'm correct and maybe I'm just dumb and I'm like mystificate some persons with the other ones, but I think she's very, very, very famous. If I'm correct.
มาทำให้เจ็บให้มีน้ำตาให้ผิดหวังฟรีๆอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงาเข้าใจก็ประคองตัวไปอย่างนี้ถ้าเธอไม่ดีไม่มีคงปลอดภัยเสียกว่า
Millie, maybe is her name Millie? That person before that I said like she's very famous. Millie, am I right?
คนใจร้ายไปเลิกเสียใจแล้ววันนี้เบื่อคนใจร้ายคนไม่ดีพอกันทีอยู่คนเดียวยังดีกว่านะ
Okay, great song. As I said before, and I'm seeing like the Test of Time 2000, also from XOX Entertainment. I'm seeing like the 3 different members or like 3 different persons, which they were also in this MV. Maybe it's like some huge collaboration of talent artists. Maybe like like this is just my hot take because like I truly don't know the info about this release, but it seems like I saw just like something huge than just standalone song. Maybe this is something else. And the Test of Time, it's also familiar. Maybe for if also in the past there is something as with the subtitle or like title The Test of Time, right? There is some song and this was the title. Maybe this is I'm like truly guessing this is title of some project which is putting together different talent artists, T-pop artists, and they are like doing some songs together or like separately, and it's part of something bigger. This is just my guess, but I think the Test of Time I noticed while I was watching or like listening some song from Forif, and I think it was good, and this one was also good. But like there were so many things that I just I was just focusing on who is this and who is that, but just return to this song. Beautiful. I love several parts. For example, this one with Aeon. Sorry. With Ahai. Now I'm like this one.
คนดีๆแต่คงต้องดูนานๆเพราะฉันมันคนหัวใจมีแผล
Maybe I do. Never mind. Just listen.
ไม่อยากจะหางานให้ใจอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงา
this chorus like right now when it starts sounds beautiful. Like I really love this popish vibe of 4eve when they are like doing sort of like not just like pop. Their sort of their pop is quite a unique. Like I don't know so many like T-pop artists, but when I'm like listening for Eve and they have like their unique pop songs, like a Blink, and do stuffs, do crazy great stuffs. Like it's explosive, it has a great energy, but it's also like very extravagant and unordinary. And so this is like their unique style, but they have also like very beautiful ballads. And I know like this isn't like ballad, but it's on the edge between like their just their unique style and their softer, slower side. And I like it. I really like it. This chorus.
คนใจร้ายเข้ามาเมื่อทำให้เจ็บให้มีน้ำตาให้ผิดหวังฟรีๆอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงาเข้าใจก็ประคองตัวไปอย่างนี้ถ้าเธอไม่ดีไม่มีคงปลอดภัยเสียกว่าอยู่คนเดียวมันเหงา
I love it. I love sub vocals. I love when there's like some part and those softer sub vocals are singing in the background. It's beautiful. Once again, I love it. I love it. Also, I'm like saying again and again in the 4eve reactions, I love their sceneries in the MVs. If this is like Thailand, it looks so nice. I love this. Just this sceneries is something for me. I'm also like summer creature. I love water, etc. So like when I'm like seeing some summer in foreign country with exotic vibe to me as a Central European, it shouting great, and looks great. Honestly, I need sometime visit Thailand for sure, guys. If like because like from what I have seen, like in the videos, it looks like a great country. Okay, very nice song. I need some info about it because like really I'm curious. The Test of Time 2000. This is not that song. This song will be probably right. This title, right? Which I obviously cannot like translate. Maybe there's some. I don't know, guys. I will learn something about it. Sorry for my lack of informations, lack of knowledge. I tried. I failed, but I will educate myself. Guys, let's check this out. Nona Honk plus 62, okay? And I believe, I'm not sure. I honestly need to check my own reactions to Nona, but I believe maybe this is for me for the first time when I am watching plus 62 video from Nona. Because I didn't watch it in privacy. I'm like with Nona, I'm waiting for you guys because you have a great huge response, a very positive one. So I'm like very glad to watching and listening to these videos with you, to Nona. So maybe this is for me for the first time when I'm like watching plus 62. Maybe I'm just as I said, I'm not sure right now. Let's check this out. And bus is arriving. Whoa. Just following backgrounds.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
I just this is crazy. This is so good. Damn, I love I love those fellows in the background. Man. They are just doing like insane things. Like that one when they arrived, like he was already like hyped into this dance performance that those two lads are like doing some drifts on the motorbikes, and it's great. It goes pretty well with the overall atmosphere. But guys, also for me, I don't know why, but it seems much harder than in compare with when I was watching like that MV, just like that MV. It sounds. I don't like. Obviously, it's a still same version, but right now, like when I'm like watching this performance, it's much harder. I don't know why. Maybe even that sound, like it's not just like visual. Even that sound sounds much harder. It's as a different version, but I know like it's still the same version of the song. It's just like that vibe. That vibe is different, and I love it. I love it.
Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the encore.
That is great.
Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
The thing, I will replay this part. I love this song. Sorry.
Get on the encore.
I love when the when Nona is implementing like also like sort of acrobatic or like gymnastic today dance performances. This is not for me for the first time when I'm like watching like this something like this one from Nona. It's great. It's not just like choreo. It's like truly full energetic performance. I love it, and maybe it's also like because of it. This performance is very powerful. Like I love the dance. This is not just like some empty casually choreo, but it's driving by high energy, and maybe because of it, that song it seems much harder to me than the previous time when I was like watching it and listening for the first time, and maybe also like the outfits, right? Because like girls are truly like boss ladies here.
Get on the encore.
Great guys, great. I also love those two, like how they instantly rejoin to this whole group of people. I maybe like there are like professional stunts or like also dancers, because like these fellows on the motorbikes, they are like doing group like insane things, and it went very well together. Like I didn't like. Honestly, I expect something else. Like I expect like just a casual dance or like but we received complete package. It was like sort of mini performance, not mini performance. Sorry, mini concert performance with additional elements such are those guys around the ladies.